The last variation that I'm going to show you is a variation on the wedge, and that is a curved wedge. What is the difference between a curved and a straight wedge? Well, if your line was a curve and you cut that line and you open it up to the same degree as you would open a straight wedge, zero difference is going to be between them. Here I have opened them to the same degree. I put them on top of one another and they just sit nice and smooth without any gaps in between them. However, if you take a straight line and you cut that line, but you open it so that one side is kept straight and the other is bent around in a curve, you are going to concentrate all of that shape right along your curved line. Here you can see my wedge can be transferred all around the material surface right from that central point. But if I try to do that here, it's going to be a lot more difficult for me to do. It just doesn't flow naturally. It bends and warps in all different ways and always wants to go back in this position. This is ideal if you want to use this wedge on the shoulder area of your canvas, because that will keep the front part of your canvas flat and concentrate all of that shape around the arm and the shoulder area.